Hi everyone, how you doing today? It's Ms Britt from the Ridgewood Public Library, and today our story time is about birds. So how about you join me for our hello song first of all, okay? Let's clap. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Great job everybody, great job. Okay, so our first book today is called Birds. This one is by Carmi Lemniscat. Look at all those feathers. Birds. Birds come in many different colors, shapes, and personalities. Some birds are really big. Others are tiny. Some like to show off, while others would rather watch. Some birds are very noisy. Others sing a sweet and tender song. Some like to go on long journeys. Others like to stay cozy at home. Most like to build nests from branches. Some prefer a roof over their head. But no matter what, nearly all like to have conversations. Tweet, tweet, calls one. Cheep, cheep, replies another. For every call, there is a response. A bird song is like the loving words of a friend. A happy song that greets us every morning. And our hearts sing too, because birds are like good news coming. Or messages of peace. Birds are like thoughts. They come, stay a while, and then fly away. They fly where their hearts call them. Birds are free. They make our imaginations soar. The end. Good listening, everybody. Good job. Very good. Okay, how about we do If You're Happy and You Know It? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, peekaboo, peekaboo. If you're happy and you know it, peekaboo, peekaboo. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, peekaboo, peekaboo. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your ears. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your ears. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your ears. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! Very good. Okay, I've got a little rhyme up here. This is a red-winged blackbird that's up there. We're going to put a bunch of different birds up there. So, one little bird with feathers of blue flew beside a black one. And then there were two. One, two. A red-winged blackbird and a blue jay. Two little birds singing in a tree. The red one came to join them. And then there were three. One, two, three. The red one's a cardinal. Three little birds wishing there were more. Along came a brown one. And then there were four. One, two, three, four. That one's a sparrow. Four little birds happy to be alive. A yellow one joined them. And then there were five. One, two, three, four, five. And that one's a goldfinch. Five little birds, happy as can be, singing beautiful songs for you and me. Good job. Good counting. Okay, my next book is called Nesting. And this is by Henry Cole. Nesting. It's an early spring morning. The ground is covered with frost. From the branch of an apple tree, a robin starts to sing. His song tells other male robins, stay away. But a female hears his song too. Here I am, he sings. The two robins explore. One spot looks perfect. Together they gather dry grass and small twigs. They begin to build a nest. The nest is finished. It's perfect. It's just the right size and shape. The mother robin settles into it and sits quietly. She lays an egg. It is smooth and blue. She lays three more. Four is perfect. She keeps the eggs warm. She's patient. Inside each egg, a baby bird is growing. The babies begin to hatch one by one. The babies have no feathers. They are blind and defenseless. Can you see them in there? Those four little babies with their mouths open wide. They are very hungry. A juicy caterpillar is a perfect meal for baby robins. So is a soft worm. One afternoon, a storm comes. The wind blows and rain pours. The babies are kept safe. The storm passes. Day after day, the babies need more food. The parents make many, many trips. Can you see them? They're bringing different things, caterpillars and worms and things for them to eat. Down below, a snake sees the robin's nest. The snake is hungry too and climbs the apple tree. Can you see the snake down by my fingers? The robins fight back. They dive and swoop. They knock the snake out. They don't give up until they drive the snake away. The young robins have grown bigger and bigger. They fill up the nest. They have feathers now, just right for flying. One by one, they leave the nest. They flap and drop to the ground. Soon they grow strong and can feed themselves. Their wings take them anywhere they want to go. It's late summer now, and the days are shorter. The robins eat berries and grow fat. Now they can survive a cold winter. They gather to spend the winter months together. An old nest is covered with snow. A new nest will take its place when spring comes. The end. Good listening, everybody. Good job. Okay, how about Wheels on the Bus? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus, they open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus, they open and shut, all through the town. The windows on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The birds on the bus go tweet, 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 tweet. The birds on the bus go tweet, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Good job. Very good. Okay, let's make our hands look like little bird beaks. We're going to put them behind our back, and we're going to do two little blackbirds. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Let's make our next ones bluebirds, okay? Two little bluebirds sitting on a gate, one named Kyle, one named Kate. Fly away, Kyle, fly away, Kate. Come back, Kyle, come back, Kate. And now let's make the next ones red. Two little red birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Good job. Very good. Okay. My next book is an Elephant and Piggy book by Mo Willems called There is a Bird on Your Head. Do you see the bird on Gerald's head? There they are, just sitting there relaxing. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes! There's a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. But what's coming? Now there are two birds on your head. Look at Gerald's face. Piggy's like, What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They're lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now, I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby birds, 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Now, Piggy doesn't look very happy, right? The end. Good listening, guys. Very good. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me today for our bird-themed story time. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And we hope to see you in the library sometime soon. Bye. Thank you.